When people think of Ukrainian food, one dish almost always comes to mind: borscht. But reducing Ukrainian cuisine to a single bowl of soup would be like describing Italy using only pizza, or Japan only by sushi. Behind every recipe lies a story shaped by centuries of history, changing seasons, and family traditions. Across Ukraine, cooking isn't simply about eating, it's about preserving culture, bringing generations together, and celebrating life's most important moments. One of the country's most famous dishes is, of course, borscht. This rich beet soup has countless regional variations. In 2022, UNESCO added the culture of cooking Ukrainian borscht to the list of intangible cultural heritage in need of urgent safeguarding, recognizing not only the dish itself, but also the traditions and knowledge passed from one generation to another. Another symbol of Ukrainian cuisine is Varenyky. These soft dumplings can be filled with almost anything: potatoes, cheese, mushrooms, cabbage, meat, cherries, blueberries, or sweet cottage cheese. Preparing them is often a family event. Grandparents, parents, and children gather around one table, rolling dough, adding fillings, and folding each dumpling by hand. For many Ukrainians, Varenyky are closely connected with childhood memories and family celebrations. Then there's Salo, perhaps the country's most misunderstood food. To outsiders, it may seem unusual, but for Ukrainians, it has been valued for centuries. Traditionally made from cured pork fat, Salo was easy to preserve and provided energy during long winters and hard physical work. Thin slices are often served with rye bread, garlic, onions, or pickles, proving that sometimes the simplest foods become the most iconic. Travel west into the Carpathian mountains, and the menu begins to change. One of the region's best-known dishes is Banosh, a creamy cornmeal dish cooked with sour cream and topped with brinza, a traditional sheep's milk cheese, along with crispy pieces of smoked pork. Nearby, you'll also find Bograch, a hearty soup influenced by the culinary traditions of neighboring Hungary, showing how local history has shaped regional flavors. In central Ukraine, Poltava is famous for its soft, fluffy dumplings known as halushky. Unlike Varenyky, these dumplings contain no filling. They are served with butter, meat, mushrooms, or rich sauces, and have become one of the city's best-known culinary traditions. Potato lovers quickly discover another Ukrainian favorite: Deruny. These crispy potato pancakes are grated by hand, fried until golden brown, and usually served with sour cream. Every region has its own variation, adding onions, herbs, mushrooms, or even meat to create slightly different flavors. Festive meals hold a special place in Ukrainian culture. Christmas Eve traditionally brings 12 meatless dishes to the table, representing the 12 apostles. Among them is kutia, a sweet mixture of wheat, honey, poppy seeds, and nuts that symbolizes prosperity, remembrance, and hope. Instead of juice or soda, many families serve uzvar, a fragrant drink made by simmering dried apples, pears, plums, and honey. Easter is also an important time for Ukrainian food traditions. Families bake beautifully decorated paska and take it to church for a traditional blessing. The holiday table is filled with homemade sausages, eggs, cheese, butter, and other festive dishes shared with loved ones. Ukrainian desserts are just as memorable. Nalysnayki, thin pancakes with sweet or savory fillings, are enjoyed across the country. Medovik, a delicate honey cake, and crispy verhuni are also traditional favorites. No journey through Ukrainian cuisine would be complete without the legendary Kyiv cake. First created in Kyiv in 1956, its crisp meringue layers, crunchy nuts, and rich buttercream have made it one of Ukraine's most famous desserts and a favorite souvenir for visitors.
And now it's time to try this cake. This cream is perfect. It's so tasty. It's not really sweet, like medium. I like it. And also here a lot of nuts. I know, guys, that this cake is look a little bit weird, but it's really tasty. Just trust me. It's one of my favorite. When I came to Ukraine, First day when I came to Ukraine, I told my mom, I want to buy this cake and I want to eat it.
What makes Ukrainian cuisine truly special isn't just the recipes, it's the traditions behind them. Cooking is often a family activity, with recipes passed down through generations rather than written in cookbooks. Although every region has its own specialties, one thing remains the same across the country: a love of fresh ingredients, homemade cooking, and sharing food with family and friends. Perhaps that's why Ukrainian cuisine leaves such a lasting impression. Every dish tells a story of history, hospitality, and traditions that continue to bring people together.